Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can see the people who subscribed to your channel on YouTube. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to see the people who subscribed to your channel on YouTube, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your YouTube. So just go and search youtube.com in your search bar. And once you're on your YouTube, next, you will need to go to your YouTube studio, since that's where you can manage your channel, check your analytics, and also view your subscribers. So to go to your YouTube studio, just scroll this to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the YouTube studio. Just go and click it. And after that, you will now be able to open it. So to view your subscribers here on YouTube Studio, first, I want you to make sure that you are on the dashboard section. And once you're on the dashboard section, I want you to scroll down to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the subscribers option right here. So just click the See All button to see your subscribers. And there you go guys, you will now see your YouTube subscribers after clicking on it. However, keep in mind that YouTube only shows 10 subscribers per page, so you won't be able to see them all at once. So if you want to view more, simply click the next button to load the next set of subscribers. And then you will see the next set of your subscribers. And also, by the way guys, I want to thank each of my subscribers here. All of your support means a lot to me and my channel, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. It's because of you that I'm able to create more content and continue sharing helpful videos. That's why I'm truly thankful. And by the way guys, you can also change the number of subscribers that will show per page. Just click this. And then you can now select how many subscribers you will like to show. The minimum is 10 and the maximum is 50. And after selecting, there it is guys, the number of subscribers that will show per page will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.